Leading the way in the two-wheel drives was Neil Armstrong in the front-wheel drive Toyota Starlet. Such was his pace that he only trailed in the two-wheel drive fight by mere split seconds, and that was to Maloney in the practice. When the official runs came, Armstrong's right foot request for more speed was met with staggering ease. And he shaved 12 seconds off that practice run time and put himself in the lead of the two-wheel drive battle. Even more amazing was that he was now third overall, with only Paul Bourne and Roger Skeet ahead of him in their WRC cars. Just look how at ease he appears inside the car as he carves his way through the course. In the second official run, he again showed he was a force to reckon with and was 11 seconds faster. Roger Mears was more comfortable in the Toyota Starlet than his brother Barry, and because of this, he was able to push harder and was faster. He first took 10 seconds off his practice run time, which was 5 seconds quicker than Barry. As he continued through the stage, during the day, he took a further 5 seconds off his time and then finally 2 seconds off. This put him in 7th overall, which was 2 seconds behind Stuart Maloney in 6th place. However, it earned him the Super Modified 9 victory. Sammy Cumberbatch in his BMW was in the battle for 6th place with Roger Mears, Stuart Maloney and Owen Cumberbatch. However, his fastest time was 14 seconds faster than his practice. This earned him second in Super Modified 11 and fourth in the two-wheel drive battle behind Armstrong, Maloney, and Roger Mears. Owen Cumberbatch had a brake problem where one of his wheels was locking up. Despite this, he matched the time of his brother Sammy on the second run. However, his third and final run was not his best, and he was almost 20 seconds slower on it. Also competing at his first event for the year was Brett Clark in the Citroen C2, but he was only allowed to have one official run, which was his second time through. This was enough to place him 10th overall and show the potential of him and his car. With no Jeffrey Elliott in the lineup, Andrew Jones made sure that there was slide race action during the event, and as always, he was having fun doing it too. In the Ford Escort, which did not have in the regular engine, he was concerned about being fast, but kept the entertainment factor high. Neil Corbin in the Toyota Starlet was consistent throughout the day. Corbin's good form has continued this year, and he has been quick as well as entertaining. His fastest time of the day was 5 minutes flat, and it placed him second in Modified 6th and 14th overall. Alex Whitehead in his BMW was 4th in Super Modified 11. He did not complete his third and final run and had to settle for his second run as his fastest time. Collis Edwards was the lone finisher in Production 3 and took 21 seconds off his first run time by the third. Wayne Archer only received a time for his practice run, which was 5 minutes and 18 seconds before he was forced to pull off in the next run. David Brewster did not enjoy a good day, and his fastest time was recorded in his first official run. His other two runs were 2 minutes slower than the first. Clifford Cox also did not finish any of his official runs in the Toyota Starlet. Edward Corbin was competing for the first time in the former Freddie Gale-owned Toyota Run-X. He finished second in Modified 7. St. Elmo Cumberbatch was out and about, but mechanical problems ended his day.
I had all wonderful. Enjoy the sunset.
In an incredible run in the Toyota Starlet, Neil Armstrong upstaged some of the WRC cars as he finished third overall with an impressive time of 4 minutes 34 seconds.
We had a lot of trouble at the start, all sorts of small issues. I only drove the car for the first time this morning, So we had, I can't even tell you how many issues we had. But everything seemed to come together after the first couple runs, and we put in some solid runs this afternoon and had a good time.
Roger Skeet in his S12B Subaru Impreza WRC was second overall, just behind by a second. After snatching the lead after run 2, Paul the surfer born never surrendered it, and he went on to capture the victory in the historic event, posting a fastest time of 4 minutes and 28 seconds in his third and final run.
I felt good today. I was just comfortable in the car, and I managed to put everything together. I didn't make any silly mistakes. I was fairly committed and confident, and I think the whole package, of the Ford, this car is a real good car. It handles so well. It's fast. It brakes good. Everything about it is so good, and the harder I push it, the sweeter it responds. And I just think today I had the better package. That's all.